Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the output preview of a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. Make sure you're using the Pro version because the output preview feature is available under the Print Production tools. Once the application is open, go to File at the top menu and click Open. Locate the PDF file you want to check, then double-click it to open. Make sure it's the correct file. Next, click on the Tools tab at the top of the interface. You'll see a list of available tools. From here, find and click on Print Production. If you don't see it right away, scroll down or use the search bar to quickly locate it. Inside the Print Production panel, click on Output Preview. This will open the Output Preview window. In the Output Preview panel, you can simulate how your PDF will look when printed. You can check color separations, spot colors, and different color profiles. You can also toggle options like Simulate Overprinting and Preview to see how elements interact. This is especially useful for professional printing and ensuring accurate colors. Take a moment to review the settings and confirm that everything appears as expected. This step helps prevent printing issues and color discrepancies. And that's how you check the output preview of a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.